First off, your numbers were above, so the results are good. Would you attribute that to anything other than a resurgent economy in the areas you serve? I think of a Southern company almost like we think of box makers when the economy does well, or we think of what was the other one? Waste management companies. People generate a lot more trash in a robust economy. So isn't it the same thing with you? That's all it means, right? Or are you just a great operator?
Well, listen, we are incorporating a lot of technology. Our O&M line is better than we expected. But, Joe, you're hitting the nail on the head. You know, and I watch you guys all the time. This worry about inflation, the worry hitting the economy in a hard way, the worry about a recession potentially. We're not seeing it in the Southeast. Southeast has generally recovered to pre-2019 levels. Other parts of the United States, we look to see that recovery in the 2024-25 timeframe. And the big mega fact is that people are moving to the Southeast and they're finding jobs. If you look at economic development data, year-over-year growth in jobs in the economic development pipeline are up 166%. Capital investment is up over 70%. And so we're seeing this tremendous influx in growth. And I'll peel the onion a little bit tighter here. Look at industrial sales. A 2% number for us would be really good. Industrial sales were up 1.7. You say, well, that's a good quarter. Holy smokes. If you eliminate two big plant closures, one chlor-alkali and one newsprint, that number would have been over 4.5%. And so we're seeing a tremendous amount of growth. I would argue pipelines is, you know, given what's going on in Europe and the Ukraine, holy smokes, we're seeing a whole lot of growth in that area. Energy is a big deal to us. If you look at ports, so a lot of people worry about supply chain. A year ago, we would have had, say, 30 ships off the port of Savannah, the fourth largest port in the United States. Today, it's a handful. Last quarter, it was about 0. We're able to move the material out of the ports, so the transportation lines are getting better. Port of Mobile, likewise, is doing well. The economy is better than I think you may be reporting elsewhere in the United States.
Amazing. When prices spike like they have in the whole energy complex, I figure, I mean, some of your customers may have to pay more. You don't necessarily make any more, any less money. You're kind of more of a middleman. What should our energy, what should we be doing right now to try to make sure this doesn't happen to us, what's happening to Poland and Ukraine and Germany and everything else? And what can we do to help them? What would you suggest the Biden administration does?
Unleash the American energy economy. Let's develop the resources that we are blessed to have in this nation. You know, the idea that somehow natural gas is going to go away and then it's bad for America is just simply wrong. What we have to do, and what America has done over decades, is build technology to be able to control the things you don't like about hydrocarbons, and that is be able to capture the carbon on the outside of it. Look, we can do that. We've already done it in a big way. We're by far the biggest research and development company in our industry, biggest partner with the Department of Energy. The United States can do this.